The Advanced Termite Bait System is the next generation of termite baiting. This preventative termite control system is designed to be installed around the outside foundation of your home. Preloaded with a termite inspection cartridge and termite monitoring base, the station allows you to intercept and monitor for termites that come in from the yard to infest your home. At domyown.com, you can find the Advanced Termite Bait System as individual stations or in our termite baiting kits. These kits include the stations, a spider tool to open the stations, and Trelona bait cartridges to treat when termite activity is found. If you already have termites in your home, this system will not work to control that infestation. The termites will not leave your home, where they already have found their food source, to go back to the stations. An active termite infestation in your home should be treated with a liquid termiticide product, and the Advanced Termite Bait System should be installed to monitor for future termite activity. After installation of the system, the inspection cartridge can be replaced with a Trelona bait cartridge when termite activity is found in the stations. Each Advanced Termite Bait Station features vertical slots that maximize wood-to-soil contact, creating an ideal environment for termites. Inside each station is a wood monitor and a termite inspection cartridge. Termites will start feeding on the wood base, then feed upward to the PuriCell monitoring tablets in the termite inspection cartridge. The combination of the wood base and cartridge makes it easy for you to inspect and detect termite activity in your stations. Before you begin placing the Advanced Termite Baiting System in the soil around the perimeter of your home, here are 3 key things to keep in mind. First, stations should be installed 2 to 4 feet out from the foundation of your home, either inside or outside the gutter drip line. This is to ensure the gutters do not flow directly into your station. Second, stations should be placed 10 to 20 feet apart from one another, but they are most effective when placed no more than 15 feet apart. Third, be sure to wash your hands and wear clean gloves before handling the Advanced Termite Bait Stations. Termites are sensitive to scents and would be able to detect any chemical or cleaning product residue that may transfer from your hands to the stations, possibly reducing the effectiveness of the system. To install the Advanced Termite Bait Station, dig a hole approximately 6 inches wide by 9 inches deep using a shovel, post hole digger, or auger. Make sure the hole width is enough to hold the station securely with little to no wiggle room. By extending the hole 3 inches deeper than the station's length, you allow moisture that drains through the soil and the station a place to collect instead of puddling inside the station. If water puddles inside the station, the wood monitoring base can become moldy, which reduces its attractiveness to termites. If the hole is just large enough for the station, remove any dirt from the hole, insert the station, and press down until the top of the station is flush with the ground. If the hole is slightly larger than the station, place the station against one side of the hole you dug, flush with the ground. Then, fill in with dirt around the side of the station and pat down the dirt to hold it in place. You should check your Advanced Termite Bait System stations every 3 months or quarterly for termite activity. To open the bait station, you'll need the Spider Station Access Tool. Place the tool over the station cap and rotate counterclockwise until the 2 locking tabs clear the locking ring. Once unlocked, the station cap stays in the tool and can be lifted away. The cap can be replaced by locking it in place with the same tool. Make sure you wear gloves when handling the cartridges or station to minimize skin contact. A cotter pin puller tool with a curved tip makes it easy to pull the cartridge out, check for termite activity, and put it back in without having to touch it. If you notice termites or signs of termites in your stations, the termite inspection cartridge should be replaced with a Trelona bait cartridge. Trelona cartridges contain an active bait to help control termite colonies. The wood monitoring bases and termite inspection cartridges should be replaced every 12 months for the best results. Wood that is soggy or moldy should be replaced as soon as possible. And it's that easy with the expert help from domyown.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.